garage. All these are AGE, okay, ending in AGE are masculine. T again masculine, U masculine. So these the key terms. Also exceptions: Kaj, image, plage, raj. So all these are exception words. So some words are given also the exception. The same thing for the feminine gender. Do is we are going to look at this. The first group verbs which we have already seen, already know how to conjugate the ER verbs. One more verb, that is ale, venir verb. Venir verb, by the time you know it, do the conjugation introduced. So this is the outline of the lesson 2. This French textbook which you are looking at is based on a story type. A person goes to France from India, for example, and that person will be traveling throughout the textbook. So first lesson, it's about the introduction part. So he went to France and find a French people, a French person, and introduced herself. And the second unit deals with joining of the university. Where it is it about? So the title name of the unit 2 is Al Université. Al Université, what will be the translation?
At the
At the
university.
university.
A at the university, okay, at the university Catholic de Paris. So what is the translation? I'm not going to give you the translation. I'm going to ask. So once you respond, let the others also try. Anyone can reply. So there is no restriction, but try to maintain or give a chance to the other one to open up. So Université Catholique de Paris.
Sure.
What is the
Catholic
translation?
University.
Catholic
Yes, please.
University of
Catholic
Paris.
University of Paris.
Yes. Catholic University of Paris, and this one is a very well-known university in France. Okay, so first thing, these things I will read once, and then I want someone to read entire context, entire dialogue. The first one, l'Institut catholique de Paris est un établissement privé d'enseignement supérieur fondé en 1875. Il est situé dans le 6e arrondissement de Paris, entre Saint-Germain-des-Prés et Montparnasse, au cœur de Paris. Et son adresse principale est 21 rue d'Assas. So I gave the pronunciation 21 as 21. So normally 21 is pronounced as
21.
21, but I told the pronunciation as 21.
Sir, is it because it's 21st?
No. So if it is 21st, in the previous 2 lines before, number 6 is given. So and it is pronounced as cesium. I didn't say C's.
Okay, sir.
So that is 6th. Okay. Here I said 21 because of the gender of this street. Rue, R-U-E. Rue is feminine. Okay. So you need to be very specific for the numbers. Number 1 alone. So number 1 alone has 2 genders. Premier, premiere, first. Even masculine and feminine are there. The same way, where these are small informations. Okay, it's not necessarily be to be kept in mind, but just try to learn so that it will be useful when you speak French somewhere. So the Catholic Institute of Paris is a private establishment for higher studies, founded in 1875. It is located in the 6th arrondissement street, or arrondissement means region, 6th region of Paris. Between the names, you can write as it is, Saint-Germain-des-Prés. So you no need to translate the names which are termed in French. And Montparnasse. So these are the two things, two places in the heart of Paris, in the middle of Paris. And its main address is 21 Assas Street. So this will be the translation for the description about the Catholic University of Paris. Always remember the dates like 1875, 6th arrondissement, all those. You need to, yes, please.
So why is it D apostrophe ASSAS?
D apostrophe, because A is a vowel, right?
Yes, sir.
So normally, so here, highlight, okay, Catholic de Paris, okay, Catholic
Oh,
University
okay.
of Paris. So this is the preposition used, okay. Rue de Assas, the DE. Since it starts with the A, we have given apostrophe. So
So-
since you asked, let me, yes, please.
So is the literal translation of the of, or does it change with
Yes.
the context?
No, you no need to translate. For example, Catholic de Paris, Université Catholique de Paris. Don't say Catholic University of Paris. So Catholic University. That is different. For example, I will give you a different example. Université de SRM. Université de SRM. So that means University of SRM, literal translation. No need to write like that, okay? You can just quote as SRM University.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Rue d'Assas, no need to say street of Assas. You can say Assas Street. Just inversion, okay? So are you guys clear with the translation?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So any other doubts do you have? You can ask me in the first part alone. So as I mentioned, so learn the description along with the dates, okay? So this Catholic University, it is in the triangle shape, okay? So it is in the corner, the entrance. So you can go from this, if you can see the arrow mark, you can go from this side as well as this side. It's like SRM University as. Dialogue chez Julien. Chez is also a preposition referring to someone's place. For example, I told this, je vais chez le médecin. Je vais chez le Julien. I am going to Julian's house. I am going to doctor's house. Normally referring to the clinic. So that is the term, okay? Chez is a preposition used to refer someone's place, at the house of, in the house of, to the house of. Okay, guys? Fine. And Julia. Elena and Julia. These are the two persons. One, tien. Tien is a verb tenir. Tenir means to wait or to hold. So normally it's a expression in this context. Comment aller à l'Université catholique de Paris? Comment aller à l'Université catholique de Paris? So how to go to Catholic University of Paris? How to go to Catholic University of Paris? Well, bien, well. J'habite dans le quartier et l'université se trouve à 2 pas du quartier latin et Montparnasse, le jardin du Luxembourg et Saint-Germain-des-Prés. So here, what they are trying to say is, so I live in the same area, same region. I live in the same area or the same region, and the university is found, or university can be found at two-way in the region, Latin region and Montparnasse. The other one will be Jardin du Luxembourg and Saint-Germain. So it is here, if you can see the arrow mark this way as well as this way. So if you have seen the SRM University or the university building, you can come to towards to the building in a two-way. There are many ways, but mainly in main road as well as from the hospital side. So it is like adjacent a triangle tripod. So do you understand this? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Elena, alors, comment aller d'ici? How to go from here? How to go from here? Ici. Ici means ICI. Ici means here. C'est à 20 minutes à pied de l'office d'ISE, International Studies, okay, ISA, dans le quartier latin, l'autre côté de la Seine. So what is Seine? What is this? What is Seine? What is Seine?
Reverse sign.
Reverse,
Okay, fine. So it is 20 minutes, okay? It's 20 minutes by walk. PIED. PA means foot. Okay, literal translation will be foot. It's 20 minutes by walk from the office of ISA in the, yeah, the other side of the Seine. Like they are giving the address in this manner. Parfait, perfect, perfect. Je dois y aller comme je vais remplir une fiche d'inscription pour loger en résidence étudiante. Perfect. I must go there for I'm going to fill the registration form hostel or accommodation in hostel. Loger means to lodge, to get into. I must go there to for, okay, sorry, you can write the translation. Parfait. I must go there to fill a registration form for accommodation in the university residence, hostel, résidence étudiante, students residence. D'accord, ok. J'ai fait mes études dans la même université. I'm also doing my studies in the same university. I am in MBA course. I am in MBA. Okay. Et moi and myself or and me, I must do a project. Je dois faire un projet sur l'histoire et la culture de la France. I must do a project on history and culture of France by the end of the semester, vers la fin du semestre. Normally, VERS, where means towards, but you can't translate literally. Okay, so keep that in mind. Peux-tu m'aider de faire un tour de France? Can you help me in making a tour of France? Can you help me in making or to do a tour of France? Bien sûr, of course. Je suis ton guide et mentor. I am your guide and mentor. Je te fais un tour autour de Paris. I am going to make or take a tour Paris. Merci beaucoup. C'est très gentil. Thank you very much. It's very kind. So, is that the translation is clear? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you guys are very clear, right? So I want two volunteers. You want me to call? Going to do it on your own. You prefer? You can just tell me whether you want to go on your own or you want me to call. Because I'm not aware who is present here. So that's why I'm asking. No response. So I need to call out. So who are the two persons? One is Elena and Julian. And one, who's this?
Sir, Abhishri, sir.
Fine, Abhishri and one more, one more student, masculine, boy. Come up, guys. If I'm going to call, you need to know other choice. Give you a chance, okay? So Abhishri and who's going to read? Another person? Okay, we'll go with the starting letter, Abhishri and who's this? Aditya Mishra. Aditya Mishra. Not there. So I will mark him absent. So no response from your side. So one, Aditya Mishra is absent today. Azan,
Yes, sir.
continue.
Okay.
Okay, the description part. So the newcomer, right? Apurva Shah. Yes, you can read the, yes, you can read the description part, the title and the first paragraph. Dialogue will be done by Abhishri and the other person.
So I'm not
Azan.
very fluent with French. I joined new.
nobody is fluent, ma. So you all the class are same. So I treat everybody same. Just give a try. Whatever you can read, you read.
Okay, sir.
Yes, give a try. Okay, it's not to judge how your French how it is. Just learning process.
Okay, sir. L'Institut Catholique de Paris est un établissement privé d'enseignement supérieur fondé en 18...
Yes, you can proceed with the numbers in English.
Okay, sir. 1875. Il est... So, what is this?
Situé
Situé dans les 6e arrondissement de Paris entre Saint-Germain-des-Prés et Montparnasse. Oh, sir, this one?
Yes, correct. Montparnasse.
Montparnasse au sur de
Cœur.
Paris.
Cœur
Cœur
de
de
Paris.
Paris est son adresse principal at 21 Rue des Assas.
Perfect. Okay, so not much difference. Okay, so for a beginner, it is well pronounced. Okay, acceptable. Now, dialogue says Julia. You guys can proceed. Okay, Elena and Julia. Abhishri first.
Okay, sir. Tiens, comment aller à la Université catholique de Paris?
Bien, j'habite dans le quartier et l'université se trouve à pas du quartier latin et Montparnasse, les jardins de Luxembourg et Saint-Germain-des-Prés.
Alors, comment aller d'ici?
D'ici.
Comment aller d'ici?
C'est à 20 minutes à pied de l'office de ASC dans le quartier latin, la autre côte de la Seine.
Parfait. Je dois